Alrighty, well, here it is. What a transformation. Hey everyone, so I totally filmed an intro for this and accidentally had my phone angled the wrong way, so it's vertical instead of horizontal. So yeah, anyway, we are out at a new spot looking for some fossils, and we get into some amazing stuff, and I will just let the video speak for itself. Just found this really nice piece of ammonite. See, it's got some great sutures. Oh, there's something else I wanted to show you too. Look at how cool this is. Look at the size of that snail shell. Isn't that amazing? That is so awesome. Dude, you guys, look what I just found. That's awesome. Like it's a coyote skull. That's awesome. It's in really good shape, actually. Sweet. Well, that's coming with. Man, we're finding some awesome stuff right now. There's some baculites in there. Oh, you probably can't see with me blocking it. Found a nice conglomerate right here. I'm gonna start working on getting it exposed, but we have more territory to check. And it is like 100 degrees and we're dying. Just will not believe this. These calcite pockets are just insane. Those crystals are huge. This huge host rock just fell apart and it exposed the coolest veins of calcite. Also, check this out. That's a huge thing. Baculite or ammonite, not sure yet. And then look at these pieces of ammonite I found. Just gigantic. Alright, I'll give you an update in a minute. Look at this amazing cluster of yellow calcite crystals. That is such an awesome find, man. That is so cool. Those are wonderful, really dark color. The camera might not show it very well, but they have wonderful clarity. And there's a literal boulder of them just up the hill. That's awesome. Look at how clear that is. That's amazing. That's such a nice calcite crystal. That's awesome. Good find, man. You guys, look at this ridiculous thing we just found. This thing is enormous. I am gonna do my best to get this prepped. We're gonna take it out as carefully as we physically can. That is a monster. So we're gonna look a minute here, see what we can find, and then it's time to head out. Again, I'm so sorry I haven't been recording more. It is just absurdly hot. Ooh, a scaphite. Oh, that's pretty. Here, let me get it cleaned off for you. That's a nice scaphite. Well, piece of a scaphite, but still. We've been here for quite some time, and it is absurdly hot, so we are both just spent. I am so about to tap out. But you know, I gotta look a little bit more. Sorry if this video isn't longer. But yeah, my brand new phone was not liking how hot it is. I left it out for like 30 seconds and it was like burning to the touch, so yeah, I had to put it away for a while. All of this hopefully will be different soon. Should have a camera before too long. But yeah, I'm gonna look. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that beauty. Oh goodness. It's perfect. Oh, it has really nice sutures. Sweet. That is exciting. That's gonna polish up so nicely. Ah, awesome. Oh my gosh, flies, leave me alone. Alrighty everybody, there, one sec. I have lost the will to hunt. It is that hot out. We found some awesome stuff. I'm excited to show you all when we get back to the shop. But yeah, that's gonna do it for right now. I am so sorry I don't have more footage. It was, Yeah, I've explained already. Oh my gosh, so hot. It hit 102 at one point, so yeah, I am beat, and we've been out here since early. Alright, I'll see you all back at the shop.
This is like the most complicated and expensive puzzle you'll ever do. It is very, very, very careful, slow going. Oh, it's gonna be worth it though. Oh man, it's gonna be worth it. I'm sorry I'm not recording the actual rebuilding. It would be a very, very, very long video if I did, and I still, obviously, if you can tell, have my phone to record, so I don't have a tripod, so there's no real safe way to set it up so that I can record and show you all what I'm doing, but it's really boring, honestly. You're not missing much. I adore AMMOLITE. It is, other than fire agates, my favorite gem, and it is so amazing. I love it so much. And when prepped properly, there's nothing on this planet like it. It is just amazing stuff. And my camera, I'm still using my phone, so this camera is not the best for picking up color, but yeah. I love AMMOLITE, and I want you to love it too, so I'm going to show you how we turn this into that. May not look like much, you can see some faint color. So what we're going to do is set this down. I have a rag, well, paper towel handy. We're going to take this, which is beautiful stuff, that's cyanoacrylate. It's super glue, but it's about the same thickness as water. And that's going to be very important because AMMOLITE is some of the most fragile stuff you'll ever find. So we're going to go around the edges and flood this thing. I'll need my other hand to get it around the bottom edges, and we're, like I said, just gonna flood it, and that is going to lock that pearl layer down onto the stone. And once that has set, which it looks like it has, it's pretty much instant cure. We're gonna take it. Sorry, I'm so not used to holding a camera while I record. Hopefully only another week or two of this. And we're gonna cover that entire face. And that is flooding that glue down into all of the cracks, and that is what is known as stabilizing it. Now it is safe to work with because it's all going to be held together. So I'm going to let that cure for a second and I'll be right back. Alright, so it has cured nicely, nice and solid. Like I said, that's going to make a nice solid shell around the whole thing. So now we're going to come in with this, which is a very fine diamond burr, and level this whole surface. Alrighty, well, here it is. What a transformation. Oh, that stuff is so beautiful. I love working with it so much. And when you first see it, you would never expect that it has this kind of potential inside. But there is still another step. So a more accurate demonstration would be showing it like this, because it still needs to get an epoxy layer over top, which is going to bring those colors out even more. And AMMOLITE is very, 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 very fragile, so you kind of need that extra layer to create a protective dome. I am out at the moment, but I will go get some because I need more anyway. But yeah, A little bit insane, isn't it? This thing is so cool. It's nicely calcified, and the pearl layer is really, really weathered, so I don't think it's going to show much color. So I think we're going to sand through that and just polish this thing. It's going to be so cool. Oh my goodness, this is such a pretty piece. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. If it's already showing that much color, it's going to come out a lot. So yeah, let's get to work. Alrighty, so we've got a couple conglomerates like this that are pretty loaded up with baculites. So I think we're going to excavate these, and then I guess we'll call that good there. This one's got a lot in it. So yeah, let's get Alright, let's see how we do, because it's super bright and I can hardly see my screen, but yeah. Beautiful baculite right here. Gorgeous baculite right here. See more sutures hiding, and even more sutures hiding. And the pearl on this one is just phenomenal. Again, don't know if it's going to show or not, but yeah, it is very pretty. And then here's another one. Another nice baculite right there. Nice baculite right here. You know, they're still dusty. They look all textured. Really nice pearl on this one right here. And really nice pearl on this one right here. And then there's this one. Oh gosh. That one is just beautifully calcified. Really nice. Nice little calcite crystal bug right there. And then we've got another one right here. Another one right here. Another one right here, and another one right here. Oh, and one up. That's perfect. Really nice. Alrighty, well, here are some of the raw baculites. Some of these have some really nice pearl on them. Still have a bunch more that I need to go through and clean. Really nice sutures on this little one. Oh, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Focus. There we go. Yeah, really nice sutures on that one. Nice pearl on some of these. I love finding these ones because they polish up very, very well. And here is that really nice little ammonite. Now that it's got a good polish on it, those sutures are showing up like crazy, and it's got some beautiful, beautiful pearl in it. Yeah, it cleaned up very nicely. Gorgeous ammonite. Not huge, but hey. Again, any ammonite is a good ammonite. Oh, and very cool. There's a little baculite in it. How awesome is that? Alright, so I showed you all working on them, but let's check out this AMMOLITE. So I'm going to get them wet because they still need their epoxy layer over top, but just look at how beautiful these are. So much color. Depending on what angle you look at them at, it's just completely different. It's not showing on the camera, but it's really, there's a lot of red in there. It's so funny because if you look at it straight down, the red comes out more and more, but then when you hold it up higher, it just turns green. And then there's this nice one right here. Has some wonderful color in it. It'll show. Yeah, it's got some great color in there. There's this one. Again, just wonderful color. And then this one, really pretty red in this one. And up top we've got a lot of greens and blues. Yeah, that's a great piece. This one might be my favorite. I love it so much. It's so unique. That scale pattern on it, it's just so cool. And there's so much blue and purple. Oh, it's just beautiful. And then we've got our two big ones. So there's this one, which is just phenomenal. There's so much color in this one. And last but not least, we've got this chunk right here, which has some fantastic color. Oh, it's so pretty. Love the AMMOLITE so much. And I hate to say it, but this big one is taking quite some time to repair naturally. So I will probably have to give you an update in another video because there's still a lot of repairing to go on this big guy, and I don't want to have this video sitting around until this is finished because this might be quite some time before I actually have enough free time to piece it all together. But I will definitely keep you updated. This is a beautiful ammonite. Alrighty, well, I think that is going to do it for this one. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll definitely have more content out very, very soon. As you saw, I still have a lot more of these that I need to get through, so yeah. Also, look forward to some Yellowstone rock hunting coming up fairly soon. Definitely don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I love having conversations with all of you. Also, come and join my Facebook group. Look what I found. It is awesome, where you can share your finds and meet some awesome people. I'll have a link to that in the description. Hopefully this video was good enough to earn a subscription or a like. And yeah, I will have another one out very soon, and I'll see you all next time.